insert 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Okay, suppose we have a question like this. Whenever we have two rational numbers and we are asked to find the rational numbers between those two given rational numbers, in that case we will use the mean method. In mean method, we will add the two given rational numbers and we will divide that sum by 2 to get the rational number between 1 and 2, or the given rational numbers. In this case, we have to find rational number between 1 and 2. So we will add 1 and 2. The sum will become 3, and that sum we will divide by the integer 2. So the rational number between 1 and 2 is 3 upon 2. Now we have to find rational number between 1 and 3 upon 2. So to the sum of 1 and 3 upon 2, that sum we will divide it by 2 to get the rational number between 1 and 3 upon 2. After doing this, we will get the rational number 5 upon 4. So 5 upon 4 is the rational number between 1 and 3 upon 2. Same way, to find the rational number between 1 and 5 upon 4, we will add both the rational numbers 1 and 5 upon 4, and the sum we will divide it by 2. Okay, 1 plus 5 upon 4 divided by 2 is equal to 9 upon 8. So the rational number between 1 and 5 upon 4 is 9 upon 8. And similarly, the rational number between 1 and 9 upon 8 is 17 upon 16. Rational number between 1 and 17 upon 16 is 33 upon 32. And now we will find the rational number between 3 upon 2 and 2. We will add both the rational numbers and the sum we will divide it by 2 to get the rational number between 3 upon 2 and 2. 3 upon 2 plus 2, then whole divided by 2 is equal to 7 upon 4. So the rational number between 3 upon 2 and 2 is 7 upon 4. The rational number between 7 upon 4 and 2 is 15 upon 8. Rational number between 15 upon 8 and 2 is 31 upon 16, and so on. So by following these steps, the rational number between 1 and 2 can be obtained. So in this case, the rational numbers between 1 and 2 obtained by this method are 33 upon 32, 17 upon 16, 9 upon 8, 5 upon 4, 3 upon 2, 7 upon 4, 15 upon 8, 31 upon 16, 63 upon 32. There we can find infinite number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. There is one more alternative method to find the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Here we have to find rational number between 1 and 2. We will make a common denominator. Okay, here the denominator is 1 already. Okay, we will find the equivalent fraction greater than the given rational numbers. 1 into 6 upon 6, which is equal to 6 upon 6. 2 into 6 upon 6 is equal to 12 upon 6. So the rational numbers between 1 and 2 are: 1 can be written as 6 upon 6, 2 can be written as 12 upon 6. We will write all the rational numbers between 6 upon 6 and 12 upon 6, which are 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6, 11 upon 6, and so on. We wanted to find 5 rational number, that's why we have multiplied with 6. If you want to find 10 rational numbers, you have to multiply with 11. If you want to find 7 rational numbers, you have to multiply it with 8. Okay, how many rational numbers which you have to find between the two given rational number? Assume that number as n. You have to multiply the two given rational number by n plus 1.